This is 2014 Honda CTX700N. Pretty dark out here, but trying to show you guys the exhaust. So far, what I've done is remove the catalytic converter. There we go. Goes my flash. I've done a little bit of paint work to it myself. But I said remove the catalytic converter, put a straight pipe on it. Let's see if I can get down there. It's a little ugly right now. Still got some work that needs to be done, and it still just had the pipe. To me, sounds pretty badass, and definitely a lot louder and meaner than the stock pipes. So let's give it a try here. All right, here we go. Can't give it a little throttle. And that's pretty much it. There's more to come. I'm going to go ahead and put the original muffler back on after I do some modifications to the baffle inside of it, and then in the end the exhaust is going to get completely painted black with high temp exhaust paint to include the muffler after mods, and put it all back together. So thanks for watching.